Hey guys, OT Sports Cards here with 11-12 Dominion Hockey Box break number 46. Last team, Winnipeg Jets, ended July 25th. Serial number for the box, 1898-21-734. Show you guys a number on the box. 1898-21-734. Okay, let's bust it. Good luck to all of you. Been a while since I pulled a nude, so hopefully you can see one today. Empty. Empty. Okay, decoy on the bottom. Decoy on top. And the first card is Brian Elliott base out of 199 for the Blues. We've got a Brad Boyes prime jersey out of 25 for the Sabres. Another jersey. Greg Nemish jersey out of 100 for the Flames. Got a Carl Hagelin horizontal rookie auto patch out of 62 for the Rangers. Nice three colors. Okay, we got another base. Eric Staal out of 199 for the Hurricanes. Weird configuration in this box. Got a Stefan DaCosta auto rookie patch for the Ottawa Senators. DaCosta for the Sens. Got a Ben Holmstrom rookie auto at 199 for the Flyers. And the last card, Mike Richards jersey out of 100 for the Kings. That was an odd 10. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.